In this video, I'll show you how to print 5x7 designs on a single A4 page using Canva. Open Canva and click Create a Design. Search for A4 and select the A4 landscape template. Go to the File menu and click Settings. Choose Add Guides, then click Custom. Set columns to 2, column gap to 1.1, and margins to 1.6. For rows, set it to 1, gap to 0, and margins to 1.6. Click Add Guides to apply. Now, design your content within the guides to ensure each 5x7 section fits properly. Once finished, go to the Share, click Download. Select PDF print as the file type, and check crop marks and bleed for precise trimming. Click Download. Open the downloaded PDF in a browser or PDF viewer. Click the print icon. Adjust settings like paper size and orientation, then click Print. That's it. Thanks for watching.